everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the new secret Canva elements, the Christmas plus alphabet set. These are super cute 3D festive letters perfect for all your holiday designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then just open any designs that you like. And then just go to elements and then just search for these elements. Just type this code and when you're done just tap on enter and okay, like this we'll see a full collections of Christmas theme alphabet letters. It's decorated with candy cane stripes, elf texture, and then maybe Santa bells, snowflakes, and another ornaments. These elements is perfect for maybe holiday poster, Christmas greeting card, YouTube thumbnails, kid designs, social media posts, or anything that needs a fun festive touch. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.